So this feature here is called an irrigation filter, which is responsible for the filtration of water from the borehole, which may have some debris, sand, or dead particles that may clog the irrigation system, like the drip or the sprinklers. So in this case, this one is giving us trouble, and we are going to troubleshoot it. Let's focus and see what is going on here. Okay. So after taking off the ball like this, we are going to open this filter, and we are going to see what's inside and what's causing this bursting problem. Okay, so let's just focus and see exactly how I did it. Oh, it's just being hard to remove. Okay, yeah, so but yeah, it's done now. So we are going to check and see if this filter here is clean, because usually these problems occur when the filter is clogged, or when debris are accumulated inside this filter here. So we're going to check and see if it is neat, or it's probably clogged. Right, so to check, right, you hold it like this. And I open this cap here to see, to remove the filter which is inside, like this. Do it carefully, not to hurt your hands. Please come closer. Okay. This what the problem is. Just look at it. Now I'm zooming it closer so that you can see clearly what we are talking about here. Now you can see that scent. Yeah, it's clearly that it is from deep underground, from the borehole straight. Yes, I think you can see clearly. Now we're going to clean this filter. So just follow the steps on the screen right now. Just do exactly as I'm doing on the screen. Just wash it, clean it, fill it with water, shake it, then throw the water away. Repeat the same process again and again until the wall filter is clean. Okay, right, this exactly that way. Shake it and throw it away. Right. Come close again. So this is how to remove the filter. So in case you want to change it or want to clean it, you do this, just turn it. Okay. Right. You see? The inside is not that clogged, but good. We just want to clean it. Right. Now that you are done, yeah, now that it's clean, as you can see. And now that it is clean, after closing the cap, we are going to return it to its position, just as it was before. Make sure that the Y shape is assembled as it is on the screen. So that filter has to point where the water is coming from. Okay, the cap of the filter has to look the direction where the water is coming from. That way you are done and you are good to go. Now let's test to see if our troubleshooting process was successful. All right. Okay, let's wait a bit and see if it's going to start again. Let me show you that the borehole is running, and we do not have leaks again. Let me just show you that the borehole is running. Okay, so the first one is down there, so that the first borehole is running, and this one again, this is the second borehole. As you can see, it's running. Yes, this is the closest to the filter, as it is running, but here the filter is okay, and our water is going to those tanks up there. Yeah, those two green tanks. That is where we are delivering our water to. Yeah, so that you can supply this whole field. As you can see, this farm. Yes.